Hey, this is Camry. Welcome to my first ever Ultimate Clean with me. Today I will take you with me while I get lots of cleaning done. I hope that this video gives you the cleaning motivation that you need. If you enjoy this video, show me some love by giving me a thumbs up. Also, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap the bell so that you will be notified when I upload. Let's get started with the cleaning. Today I am starting in my living room because when my kids get home I want it to be clean so I don't have to try to clean around them. I still have this leftover flooring in here from remodeling the bathroom. Wow, we have all kinds of stuff laying around in here. My house has been neglected this week. My kids have had all kinds of programs and activities going on at school for the end of the year, and I've been trying to volunteer and help out.
If we keep our faith, sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing.
When I clean my wood furniture and decor, I use Pledge or Indust. What color and type of frame do you think would look good for our family vacation pictures? Leave a comment below and just let me know what you think.
There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Going blind, feel my vision turning gray and into fiction.
A trick that I've found for cleaning my lampshades is to spray Pledge or Indust all over it and then use a microfiber cloth to wipe away the dust.
Sense, I can feel it reflect in the clearest of eyes in you. I got you locked in just like a secret, telling nobody else how I'm feeling. I got you locked in just like a...
I like to add about a teaspoon of my laundry soap powder mix into my mop water It cleans really well and it leaves the house smelling amazing. Also, I wanted to show you which type of mop that I use in my videos. I love this mop. Now it's time to move on to my messy dining room, where I will start by taking everything where it belongs. Then I will clean my dining table and chairs, and my buffet, including my Keurig.
Letting you go. Hear me out. I know what we could be. In my dreams I can almost reach it through the dark. I can feel it reflect in the clearest of eyes. In you, I got you locked in just like a secret, telling nobody else how I'm feeling. I got you locked in just like a secret, telling nobody else how I'm feeling, else how I'm feeling. Else how I'm feeling, else how I'm feeling, else how I'm feeling. I got you locked in just like a secret. Else how I'm feeling, else how I'm feeling. I got you locked in just like a secret. Else how I'm feeling, else how I'm feeling, else how I'm feeling. I got you locked in just like a secret. Else how I'm feeling, else how I'm feeling. I got you locked in just like a secret.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel. But if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play.
Now I'm going to move in here and tackle some of this laundry. I'm going to hang some clothes, put some away, start a new load in the washer, and then I need to clean off my washer and dryer.
Come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground.
This is my laundry detergent that I use, and it's from the company My Green Feels. I get it online, and it is made with all natural ingredients and is scented with real essential oils.
Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm at the top, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it.
Now I'm going to head over here to this kitchen and get started. In here, I need to clear and clean countertops, my sink, and my glass stovetop.
Wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us on tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us down, 'cause we're gonna light up the sky where we go. Oh, oh. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party?
I like to use dish soap and Barkeeper's Friend to clean my sink.
Let us on tonight. I'm gonna let my hair down. I'm gonna take control.
Usually when I clean my glass stovetop, I use my homemade vinegar solution, which is 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup water, and a large squirt of dish soap in a spray bottle. But today I was kind of short on time, so I just used my Method Antibac spray and my Barkeeper's Friend and a scouring pad. Then followed up by wiping the stovetop clean using a wet rag.
And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party?
When I'm cleaning the back of the stove like this, I like to remove the knobs because food and grease get stuck behind there.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating.
If you would like to see the video where I declutter and clean my cabinets, then tap the I, or the video will be linked below in the description box.
You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you must stop.
For those of you who have stayed for the whole video, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Tap the bell so that you will be notified when I upload. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!